If Apple Music won't play your songs, don't panic. Let's fix it in under a minute, step by step. Step 1. Check your internet. On iPhone, look for Wi-Fi or cellular bars at the top. On Mac, check the Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar. If you see no connection, turn airplane mode off or reconnect to Wi-Fi, then try playing the track again. Still stuck? Force quit the music app. On iPhone, swipe up and flick the music app away. On Mac, right-click Music in the dock and choose Quit. Reopen Apple Music and tap the same song. Watch for error messages like Cannot Open or Item Not Available. Those messages are clues. Next, we'll fix account, subscription, and download issues that often block playback. Step 2. Check your Apple ID. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, and make sure you're signed in. On Mac, open System Settings and confirm your Apple ID at the top. If something looks wrong, sign out, then sign back in with the Apple ID that has your Apple Music subscription. Step 3. Confirm your Apple Music subscription is active. In Settings or on Mac, open Subscriptions and look for Apple Music Active. Step 4. Re-download the track. Tap the cloud download icon or right-click the song on Mac and choose Download, then try playing it again. Step 5. Update your software. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Software Update. On Mac, open System Settings, then Software Update. After updating and restarting, open Apple Music and play a few tracks. If songs now play smoothly, you fixed it.